Here is the spoken voiceover script reviewing the ZOTAC MEK gaming PC.
There's one thing about the ZOTAC MEK gaming PC that nobody expects until they try it, and it changes how you play games in just seconds. You're rushing out the door and you've got a gaming session lined up with your friends, but instead of frantically searching for a compatible graphics card, you grab the MEK from ZOTAC and plug it in.
That's what I love about this PC, effortless gaming, right at your fingertips. Let me show you just how easy it is to get started. The ZOTAC MEK comes with all the necessary hardware and a pre-installed copy of Windows 11 Pro. No bloatware, no distractions, just pure, unadulterated gaming goodness. And with its rugged classic vertical body design, this PC looks as tough as it performs. But what really sets the MEK apart is its powerhouse of a graphics card. The ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 5090A Extreme Infinity 32GB GDDR7 is an absolute beast, delivering flagship 4K and 8K ready gaming performance with AI-driven frame rates and real-time ray tracing. Imagine using this PC to stream your favorite games in stunning 4K resolution. It's a game changer. And it's not just the graphics card that makes this PC special. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285K desktop processor is also top of the line, delivering up to 5.7 GHz with 24 cores and 40 MB cache. This means seamless multitasking, professional content creation, and class-leading frame rates. But what about storage and memory? Don't worry, the MEK has got you covered there too. With 32GB DDR5 6000 MHz RGB RAM and a 2TB NVMe 2 SSD, this PC can handle even the most demanding builds with ease. Plus, its 1200 W80 Plus Gold PSU provides rock-solid power delivery for all your hardware needs. And let's not forget about connectivity, the MEK has got it all covered. With HDMI 2, 1B, 3x DisplayPort 2, 1B, up to 4 displays, USB 3, 2 Gen 2, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5, 3, 5 gigabit LAN, and 7. 1 HD audio, you'll be connected to the world in no time. But what really makes this PC stand out is its commitment to quality and support. The MEK features a professional cable management system for optimized airflow, easy clean screwless filters, and a 360mm AIO liquid cooler. Plus, with ZOTAC USA's 1-year complete system warranty and 3-year GPU warranty, you can trust that this PC will be taken care of for years to come. So, are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? The ZOTAC MEK gaming PC is more than just a PC, it's an immersive gaming experience. And with its unbeatable combination of performance, design, and support, I have no doubt that this PC will become the centerpiece of your gaming setup. Check out the link below for the best price on the ZOTAC MEK gaming PC and get ready to experience gaming like never before.